Hi everyone, welcome to MVP Auto Review. Today we're diving into one of BMW's most iconic performance grand tourers, the legendary BMW M6, now reborn for 2026. The M6 has always been more than just a fast car, it's a statement of luxury, speed, and German engineering precision. After a few years of absence, BMW has brought back the M6 in a way that merges its long-standing reputation for high performance with modern technology, sharper dynamics, and a design language that makes it a true flagship coupe in the M lineup. The M6 has always had a distinct place in BMW's family. While the M3 and M4 focus on razor-sharp agility and the M5 delivers super sedan thrills, the M6 has been the ultimate blend of high-speed touring comfort and track-ready performance. The 2026 BMW M6 takes this formula to an even higher level, designed for drivers who want the best of both worlds, luxury and performance wrapped into one stunning package. Let's get right into the performance heart of the car, because that's what defines any BMW M model. The 2026 M6 is powered by a twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8, but with major updates over the previous generation. BMW's M division has tuned it to produce a staggering 680 horsepower and around 625 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed M Steptronic automatic transmission and BMW's latest X-Drive all-wheel drive system, the M6 delivers relentless acceleration with precise power distribution. Drivers can even switch the system to rear-wheel drive mode for pure enthusiast thrills, making it adaptable for any driving style. The numbers speak for themselves. The 2026 M6 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds and can reach a top speed of 205 miles per hour when equipped with the M Driver's package. These are supercar level figures, but the magic of the M6 isn't just raw speed, it's the balance between blistering performance and refined comfort. BMW has fitted the car with adaptive M suspension, carbon ceramic brakes, and an updated version of its active M differential, allowing the M6 to carve corners with incredible precision while still offering a smooth ride on long-distance journeys. Visually, the 2026 BMW M6 makes a powerful first impression. The front fascia features a bold kidney grille design with active air flaps for improved aerodynamics and cooling. Aggressive LED laser headlights flank the front, while large air intakes give the coupe a commanding stance. The sculpted hood, wide fenders, and coupe roofline flow into a sleek rear end with quad exhaust outlets and a functional diffuser. Lightweight carbon fiber elements, including the roof and rear spoiler, not only enhance performance but also add to the car's exotic presence. Rolling on 21-inch forged wheels with performance tires, the M6 looks every bit the part of a luxury grand tourer with a racing soul. Inside, the cabin of the 2026 M6 is a blend of cutting-edge technology and classic BMW craftsmanship. The driver-focused cockpit features BMW's curved dual-display system, combining a 14.9-inch infotainment screen with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. Both are powered by the latest iDrive 9 software, offering seamless navigation, entertainment, and connectivity options. High-quality materials dominate the interior. Merino leather, Alcantara, and real carbon fiber trim are standard, while customization options allow for virtually endless combinations. The M6 also offers advanced features like M multifunction seats with integrated headrests, a head-up display with performance metrics, and ambient lighting with customizable colors. For those who crave a balance between luxury and performance, the M6 delivers premium touches such as a Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system, 4-zone climate control, and advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated parking systems. It's every bit as comfortable on a cross-country trip as it is on the Nürburgring. BMW hasn't forgotten about the track enthusiasts either. The M6 includes multiple driving modes: Efficient, Sport, Sport Plus, and Track, each of which adjusts throttle response, suspension stiffness, steering feedback, and exhaust sound. With the press of a button, you can transform the M6 from a quiet, composed grand tourer into a loud, aggressive monster that snarls with every rev. The exhaust system itself is tunable, offering everything from a refined purr to a thunderous roar that announces its M badge with authority. When it comes to exclusivity, the 2026 BMW M6 stands tall. Pricing starts around $135,000, putting it in competition with cars like the Mercedes AMG GT, Porsche 911 Turbo, and Audi 7 Rupees. But what makes the M6 unique is its ability to combine the best elements of all of these rivals into one package: luxury, speed, everyday usability, and unmistakable presence. The 2026 BMW M6 is not just a return of a legendary nameplate, it's a bold statement from BMW that performance coupes still have a place in a rapidly electrifying world. While hybrid and electric models dominate the conversation, the M6 shows that the thrill of a high-revving, turbocharged V8 Grand Tourer is far from gone. It's a car built for enthusiasts who want it all: the thrill of speed, the comfort of luxury, and the prestige of a legendary badge. That wraps up our look at the 2026 BMW M6. With its incredible power, stunning design, and perfect mix of luxury and performance, it's clear that BMW has created something truly special for this generation. If you're excited about this reborn icon, stick with us for more deep dives into the cars that fuel passion and performance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic car reviews and future legends from the world of performance driving.